So I was encouraged to go into engineering, and I thought, wow, engineering. Engineers do design, and that really appealed to me because I was always thinking in my mind, why are things look so old to me? Even if it was new, it looked old. So I said, okay, let me just explore that. And I did, and I really liked it. And I went to community college for a year. And then I transferred over to Drexel, where I graduated in the top 10% of my class there. It was a phenomenal experience. I had my hiccups, I had my ups and downs, but guess what? I persevered. And now we have a chance we've re-engineered a lot of our programs countrywide. Brought them here, we can accelerate a person's learning in 6 months, and then put them out there in jobs making family sustainable wages, which is an incredible proposition for a price that is affordable to everyone. College is not for everybody, trade school is not for everybody, but you're going somewhere. We're at the ebb of a technology curve right now. It's like the beginning of the computer again. But this is involved with technicians. You gotta have technicians that are gonna maintain these systems out there. And in order to grow in your respective field, again, $1 trillion is out there for the United States in terms of new products, new transportation systems, new renewable energy opportunities, new medical breakthroughs. You gotta have technicians that gotta run all that. So it's an awesome responsibility to a person to be able to say, I gotta get on one of these tracks. And what's the best place that I can be in? You have to ask yourself that question. Where can I get the best nurturing environment? And come to see us as an alternative. The technology curve is what we're all about. Our scope is becoming more and more national, and it's beginning to become international. One of the things that I always tell people is the same skills we have here, the same skills around the world. The same blueprints we look at here are the same blueprints around the world. The same weld in the United States is the same weld in China, the same weld in Japan. So the thing about it is, can we meet the quality standard? And that's what we're doing. I think they see the spirit of community here. I think they definitely feel wanted. You have to feel wanted in an environment to go into other environments because that builds your confidence. You have to have that environment of mentoring, and people know what that mentoring is about. Because every part of our organization has to have that spirit that we're going to get you to where you want to go. We need to be able to give you this information. You're going to get more back, and that leverage you in the job market. Make a decision based upon the logic of what your needs are, and then look at us as an opportunity that is a deep experience, one that you can come here and feel valued, feel nurtured, feel like not only can you bring your friends and family members here, but to be able to feel free to ask any questions and really get into your craft. That's why we're here.